Welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide you through fixing your Navy federal account verification issue step by step, so you get back to managing your finances without hassle. Welcome to our channel. If you are facing issues verifying your Navy federal account, don't worry. We have a clear step-by-step guide to help you resolve these problems efficiently. First, ensure you have all necessary documents at hand, such as your government-issued ID, social security number, and any account-related information. This preparation will speed up the process. Your first step is to attempt the verification process again by logging into your Navy Federal online account or mobile app. Make sure the credentials you enter are accurate. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it securely. If the system flags your account for verification problems, it may be due to mismatched personal information, so check if all your details such as your name, address, phone number, and email are correctly updated. If you notice discrepancies, correct them immediately. If the online system still does not accept your information, your next step is to contact Navy Federal Customer Service directly for faster assistance. Call their dedicated verification line or use the secure chat feature on their website. When communicating, be ready to verify your identity by providing requested information. Clearly explain the issue you are encountering and follow their instructions carefully if your issue involves identity verification documents. The representative may guide you to upload secure copies through a provided link or an app feature. Follow their recommendations precisely and upload all required documents in the specified format. After submitting your documents, wait patiently for confirmation messages via email or SMS. Navy Federal typically reviews verification cases quickly, but times can vary. If additional information is required, they will contact you promptly. In case you prefer in-person support, visit your nearest Navy Federal branch. Take all your original identification documents and account details. Weigh the benefits of phone call versus face-to-face service. Based on your convenience throughout this process, ensure your internet connection is secure, especially when uploading sensitive information to protect your personal data. If you remain stuck after following these steps, consider asking for escalation to a supervisor for more advanced assistance. Remember to note down any case or reference numbers provided during communication for future tracking. By following this comprehensive step-by-step approach, you will effectively resolve your Navy Federal account verification issues without unnecessary delays. If this guide helped you navigate the process smoothly, do consider subscribing to our channel and liking the video for more helpful content.